What is going on, guys? So today I just want to talk about this. It's super useful if you do like Instagram or TikTok and stuff like that. And you guys know I basically just try to find ways to make money for you guys that require not too much work. That's super fun to do. So I came across this. I got invited to join this, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it. Let's see if it's legit. So basically, right, balance right now is $10, so that's the next payout. But you can see here, I've made $110, so not too shabby, right? I've done a couple of challenges. Um, you guys can see how much you can earn on the max. So the only thing I'm not a fan of about Pair Pop basically is with the challenges. Sometimes it takes a long time to update it, and same with your payout. Like on this one, I did this one, I got 1.3, so payout is $10. But again, you don't get paid until everything's kind of given, so which is good because then it gives you a chance to rack up more views. But again, like I got 3K on this one. There was one, so this one, it hasn't updated at all, but basically that one I can show you. I ended up doing it, and it ended up, same song and everything, the pickup challenge and all of that. Um, and obviously, if I click on my submission, you guys can see, it's gotten, where is the view count or whatever? Okay, we're not gonna watch my cringy TikToks, but okay, so 2,000 likes and all of that. So basically, it's gotten 11. Please stop playing. Oh my God, stop playing. Thank you. But yeah, it's gotten 11,000 views exactly. So again, 10K views is $50, as well as you earn the previous two as well. So that's $80 total. Um, so yeah, that's $80. Just has to wait again. Same thing with this one. I'm at like 5,000 on that. So I'm made 30 on that. So again, it just takes a long time to upload and all of that, and it's super annoying. And sometimes it literally kicks you out, so you have to resubmit it, which it's just a pain sometimes. But besides that, it's super easy, super fun, and there's new stuff uploaded all the time. So you can just go in daily, check this. It takes like 10, 20 minutes, and then you're good to go. I honestly think realistically, right, I don't have too much on TikTok. I mainly just started it for fun and because I got bored. So I have 57,000 followers. So it's not a lot, but it's also not that little, so it's not too bad. But yeah, on average, I could realistically make about, without the TikTok Creator Fund on this, just about $100 a week. So again, that's $400 a month where I don't really do much. I kind of just add it into my daily routine in the mornings. It goes stock trading, then it goes YouTube video recapping that, then it goes crypto YouTube to kind of catch up, and then it goes here, and it's chill. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's just a great way to make extra cash. Obviously, if you have a huge following, this is the max you could earn for this month, $7,700. So again, good money to be made. I should probably add my Instagram to it, and then I'll update you guys on that as well. But again, there's some flaws in it, but besides that, it's really not bad. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.